Hi, I'm Anthony Curry, here reporting for T-Bird News. We have an exciting event coming up November 21st, the Kings of the Court.
The Kings of the Court is about two teams coming together, alumni and staff, versus radio personalities, Tony Schofield, Ballhead, Leon Rogers, and a host of other people. So we're just getting together, playing basketball, having some fun to raise money for the school.
During the game, we're going to have a raffle where you can win money with raffle tickets. We're also going to do a half-court shot where students can sign up to take a half-court shot, and the first person that makes the shot is going to win $100. There's going to be a DJ there playing music. We're hoping that this will be an event that just packs the stands. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to give away t-shirts. There's going to be a lot of different things going on in addition to the game that's being played. So it's going to be a really fun event.
For this.
You've just heard about this great game coming up on November 21st. Come out and support your T-Bird alumni and staff. I'm Anthony Curry here from T-Bird News. Thanks for watching.